boys and girls. Today we are going to subtract to compare. We are going to use models to compare and subtract. Please turn to page 99 in your math workbook. Press pause, turn to page 99, and then push play. Okay, so you found page 99. Follow along with me as I read the problem. Mindy has 8 puzzle pieces. David has 5 puzzle pieces. How many more puzzle pieces does Mindy have than David? Okay, so what do we need to find out? That's right. We need to find out how many more puzzle pieces does Mindy have. So let's start with how many puzzle pieces Mindy has. Mindy has 8 puzzle pieces. So I'm going to add 8 counters to start my picture. You should draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so that's the start of our picture. Now we need to add how many puzzle pieces David has. I'm going to use yellow counters, but you can just draw circles right under Mindy's puzzle pieces. David has 5 puzzle pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, this looks similar to what we did yesterday. We're going to now connect our pictures to compare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to circle Mindy's puzzle pieces that don't have a partner. All right, so now we're going to take this picture and fill in our bar model. See this big box here? That's for my larger number. Who has more? Mindy or David? Did you say Mindy? That's right. Mindy has more. So I'm going to put Mindy's number in my top large box. That box is longer, so it is for the bigger number. Now I'm going to put 5 in the shorter box in the bar model. Look at our picture. What number are we going to put in the last spot? That's right. We're going to write the number 3. Excellent. So boys and girls, I placed 8 red counters to show Mindy's puzzle pieces, and I wrote 8 in the longer box. Then I placed 5 yellow counters to show David's puzzle pieces, and I wrote 5 in the shorter box in the bar model. I matched each yellow counter to the red counter. There are 3 more red counters than yellow counters. I wrote 3 to show how many more puzzle pieces Mindy has. Great job. Turn to page 100. All right, did you find page 100? Excellent. Let's read the problem. James has 4 stones. Heather has 7 stones. How many fewer stones does James have than Heather? All right, I'm going to start by circling the numbers in my problem. One number is 4. One number is 7. Now I'm going to draw my picture to help me fill in my bar model. I know James has 4 stones, so I'm going to draw his 4 stones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to draw Heather's stones. Heather has 7 stones. Remember, I'm going to compare, so I need to draw Heather's stones right under James' stones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Which one has more? James or Heather? Great. Did you say Heather? Yes. Heather has more. Heather has 7. So I'm going to write 7 in my longer box on my bar model. And I'm going to write 4 in the smaller box on my bar model. Now I'm going to draw lines to connect James's stones to Heather's. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to circle the stones that don't have a partner. James has 3 fewer stones than Heather. So I'm going to write that number right here to finish my bar model. Now I need to write a number sentence. Remember, with our bar model and with subtraction, we always start with our whole or our bigger box or bigger number. So I'm going to start with the number 7. We're comparing and we're subtracting, so I'm going to put my minus sign in. 7 minus what? Yes, 7 minus 4, because that's how many stones James has. 7 minus 4 equals 3. So, James has 3 fewer stones. You're doing great. Let's try another one together. Find number 1 on page 100 and read along with me. We're going to read the problem, and then we're going to use the bar model to solve. We're going to write a number sentence, and then write how many more or fewer there are. Okay. Abby has 8 stamps. Ben has 6 stamps. How many more stamps does Abby have than Ben? Let's start by circling our numbers in our problem. We have 8 and 6. Excellent. Let's draw Abby's 8 stamps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where is number going to go on my bar model? Let's draw Ben's stamps and then fill in our bar model. Ben has 6 stamps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which one has more? Abby or Ben? Did you say Abby? That's right. Abby has 8 stamps. So we're going to put Abby's number of stamps in our larger box or for our whole. Now I'm going to connect Abby's stamps to Ben's stamps to find out how many more Abby has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So I had 8 and I connected them to the 6 stamps that Ben had. So I'm going to put that in my shorter box. How many stamps didn't have a match? That's right, 2. So that number is our missing number. Let's write a number sentence. Remember, when we do subtraction, we're always going to start with the larger number or the number that's in the box for the whole. So I'm going to start with the number 8. And I'm going to take away 6. When I started with 8 and I took away 6, I was left with 2 that didn't have a match. So Abby has 2 more stamps than Ben. Wow, you guys are doing amazing today. Should we try just one more? All right. Now my names are a little bit different than your names on your paper. But we are still working on the same problem. So listen as I read the problem and let's see if we can't solve it together. Tanner has 3 books. Vicki has 6 books. How many fewer books does Tanner have than Vicki? Let's start by circling our numbers. 3 and 6. All right. Let's draw Tanner's books. 1, 2, 3. Let's draw Vicki's books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Who has more, Tanner or Vicki? That's right. Vicki has more. Vicki has 6 books. So we're going to put 6 in the longer box. And we're going to put Tanner's book, 3, in the shorter box. Now let's draw lines to connect to find out what our missing number is. 1, 2, 3. So these 3 books don't have a match. That number is going to go where our missing number is. Let's write our subtraction sentence. Start with your larger number, 6, minus 3 equals 3. So Tanner has 3 fewer books. Great job, boys and girls. I would like you to turn the page to 101, 101, and I'd like you to complete number 3, 4, and 5 all on your own. Good luck. I can't wait to see how amazing you do.